Sponsored by.
On witnessing the United States' unwavering support to Taiwan, an agitated China has banned senior executives of two US defense companies from entering the country. It also froze their property in response to US arms sales to Taiwan. Notably, Washington had last month approved a potential sale of $619 million in new weapons to Taiwan, including missiles for the F-16 fleet. While China has always been irked with the US support for Taiwan, it is also closely monitoring the trilateral meeting held between the US, Japan and the Philippines, where they primarily discussed Beijing's growing intimidation in the South China Sea. Meanwhile, China stated that the arms sales by the US to Taiwan are a serious interference in its internal affairs and damage China's sovereignty and territorial integrity. Nonetheless, it is pertinent to note here that the US support of Taiwan comes amid continuous reports of Chinese incursions in its territory at a large scale. Even on Friday, Taiwan's Ministry of National Defense announced that it detected 14 Chinese military aircrafts and 8 naval vessels around Taiwan between 6 a.m. on Thursday and 6 a.m. on Friday. Taiwan stated that of the 14 Chinese aircrafts, 4 crossed the Taiwan Strait median line and 5 entered the southwest corner of the country's air defense identification zone. Meanwhile, in a bid to safeguard the South China Sea region from possible Chinese incursions, the US held a trilateral meeting with Japan and the Philippines at the White House, with Washington vowing to defend Manila and Tokyo from any attacks in the region. The trilateral summit comes after repeated confrontations between Chinese and Philippines vessels in the disputed waterway. However, the US active support of Taiwan and the Philippines has annoyed China. Beijing is also jealous of the US and Japan, the allies who pledged to improve military and economic ties to counter China's growing influence in the Asia-Pacific. China's Foreign Ministry spokeswoman Mao Ning said that the two nations should not target or jeopardize the interests of other countries or undermine peace and stability in the region. It added that Beijing firmly opposes the Cold War mentality along with words and deeds that can be detrimental to the strategic security and interests of other countries.